Hello everyone, this is Sakshi. Welcome to the channel now. And if you are watching this video for the very first time, I'm a first year BSc nursing student at GMC Bhopal. So last day was my first clinical and I'm really very excited for that. The day before last day, on 31st of December, I got this burn and my parents are requesting me not to go there. But last day was my first day as 1st of January, a beginning of new life too. So we have met a lot of patients there. We started with bed making and then we noted down the TPR of every patient. The TPR is, the T is for temperature, the P is for pulse rate and the R is for the respiration rate. Before this, in the earlier classes, we have learned these things. After doing that, we have also noted down and made the charts too according to the patients and their bed numbers. We have noted down and I have also interacted with some of the patients and their problems and diagnostic things that they have discovered, as well as I have also seen their reports too. So this is the just starting. We just have to look at the things and we can ask our seniors. They are really very cooperative and they guided us everything that we have to do there. So it was the starting and I really liked it so much. So in the starting हम लोगों को सारी चीज़ें डिस्क्राइब की गई थी. Just on 31st and on 30th of December we have learned these things earlier and उसके बाद हम लोगों को वहाँ पे ले जाया गया. All the patients that are present there have different kind of diseases and there are lot of new things that we learned from now. We have also learned about the new machines that we have seen, and mainly we have learned about the syringe infusion pump. So that is a medication machine in which we used to give a particular dosage. मतलब कि हम लोग बॉटल के थ्रू भी या फिर डायरेक्ट इंजेक्शन के थ्रू भी हम लोग किसी भी मेडिकेशन को इंटरवीनसली या फिर अपनी बॉडी में सप्लाई कर सकते हैं. बट द यूज़ ऑफ सिरिंज इन्फ्यूजन पंप इज़ कि एक पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट ऑफ डोजेज और एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए हम ये सारी चीज़ें उसमें सेट कर सकते हैं. वो मशीन के बारे में देखा. आई हैव ऑल्सो लर्न एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो ड्रॉन देयर डायग्राम्स as well as it have lot of functions too, that you can set the amount that should be given to the patient in a particular time interval, maybe at 1 hour or 1.5. There are also several options available in that particular machine. We can control and this machine can show us the condition, or it can show or it will start to beep after a time or when the occlusion occur, as well as there are lot of new things. With this we have also learned about the different kind of things that we use during the surgeries. Means starting में जब injection बार बार दिया जाना है और we have to supply a lot of medications, so there is a tri-way. मतलब कि वो tri-way है, वहाँ से आप different things को connect कर सकते हैं and they will go to the similar pathway. So that is known as a tri-way. We have also learned about the central line. One of the patients have the central line there, and this is the pathway for different kind of medications present there. And when it is difficult to pass on the different things, or when we have to pass a particular medication to the different kind of things or to the different portions, so we use this central line for doing these things. It's just the starting of learning these things, so I will be learning these things in a very detailed way, and then I will be sharing all these things in a detailed way to you. So all of these things that I have learned were very interesting, and after coming back from there I have noted down these things into other notebook and noted down everything exactly. So after doing this we will be having the clinicals in this ward for 1 month I think, and then we will be shifting to the other wards, and that will be the rotation for the whole batch. So we have divided into 5 or 6 students in a single group, and then we learn these things and in the separate groups. So these are the things that I have learned, and it was such a great experience going there, and I am very lucky to have this thing. So firstly I have taken admission here with the exam, that is a state level examination, that is the pre-nursing selection test. And if you also want to go for these exams, and if you also want to come in the nursing or taking admission in the nursing or the BSc nursing course, so for MP students you can give this PNST, which is pre-nursing selection test, or for the students that are not from MP, there are lots of state level examinations that are taken for the admission of BSc nursing courses. So I have cleared this exam with a rank of 142 all over the state, and I have cleared this exam within the first attempt. So if I can do this, you can do it too. Just make sure that you are focusing on the NCERTs firstly, एंड प्लीज़ मेक श्योर कि NCERTs की ही सारी लाइन इम्पॉर्टेंट है. और मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि जस्ट एक सिंपल सी बुक से आपको सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाए. देयर मे बी चांसेस कि अदर रिसोर्सेज से भी पूछे जा सकते हैं क्वेश्चन. सो आई हैव मेड अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज़ रिलेटेड टू दिस टॉपिक. अगर आपकी फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री वीक है तो आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती हैं या आपको क्या प्रोसीजर्स फॉलो करने चाहिए. सो फॉर गेटिंग एवरी इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड टू दीज थिंग्स and also the different things that I will be facing, and for the different things that will be happening to my life, I will be making videos related to this and everything that will interest me and can be useful for you too. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, do like this video and share it with your friends too. If you have any doubt, you can comment down below. I will be trying to reply, or I will be able, or after which I have seen, or after seeing that video, I will give a heart to that comment. And please make sure that if I have given that heart, I have also received that message of yours, and I will take care of it from the next time. So you can ask your queries, as well as I will be sharing these things in the description too. So for any queries or for getting connected with me a lot, you can follow me on the Instagram, as well as you can follow the other page which is for the notes page. So that's all for today. This is Sakshi, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.